What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be another video about pocket options. Okay, guys? So I recently found a video on YouTube and I saw this guy doing his strategy. So I was like, this strategy is quite interesting. Okay, so I decided to try that strategy and it actually worked. Okay, so then I decided to uh, try to improve the strategy a little bit more, just to see if I can make it more efficient. Okay, so as you can see right here, I cleared all my funds, my demo funds, because I'm still practicing these strategies. So once I'm fully confident about the strategy and make sure that it works, I will then switch it to my real funds and trade with my real funds. But for now, I'm just doing a demo mode and see how it goes. So this strategy actually, um, it's to start with a low balance. Okay, so it's gonna be practice mode. Okay, guys. So the challenge is to start with a minimum balance of 110 bucks. Okay, even though with the platform you can only start with 100 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna start with 10 bucks. Okay, so the challenge is try to multiply this 10 bucks by 5. Okay, so today I tried this challenge and I managed to go all the way to 40 something bucks. Okay, so that was 4x my investment. So let's see if I can do that again. Okay, so I only have 3 strikes with this strategy. Okay, so I will invest 10%. If I fail with 10%, I will invest 25% of my total balance. Okay, and if I fail that one, I will have to go all in 100%. Okay, because the minimum investment is $100, as you can see right there. Okay, so it has to be 10% of my 10 bucks. Okay, so while we go along, I'm gonna explain to you the strategy. Okay, so essentially we have um, an SMA. Okay, as you can see right here, the yellow line is the SMA, and you have the Keltner channel. Okay, so the SMA is 7, and the Keltner channel is, God damn it, I got something in my. The Keltner channel is at the standard settings. Right, hold on. Okay, much better now. So we got the 7 SMA, and we have a Keltner channel. Okay, guys. So the way the strategy works, you have to pick a currency pair that's on a trend, okay? Either uptrend or downtrend, just like this one, okay? And if we zoom in, so for example, we zoom in, we can see every time or almost every time that, so over here we're not in a trend, okay? That's why you can see it like this. But if it's on a downtrend, like you can see right here, every time the candle comes closer to the SMA, God damn it, he bounces back down. Okay, he goes down, comes closer, goes down, comes closer, goes down, comes closer, goes down, comes closer, goes down. And essentially, every time it comes closer, you'll put a down position if the price is going down. If you're going up, yeah, you put an up position. Simple as that. Okay, guys. So essentially, that's how it goes. The strategy is very basic. Okay, nothing special about it. But I was surprised. I tested out and it worked. So I was like, damn, let me try this one a few more times to make sure that everything works well and try to improve. Okay, so now, I'm gonna try again. Let's see how it goes. So this is not a good chart. And today is Saturday, it's 1937, so markets are closed, so we have to trade on UTC. So I believe once we trade the real currency. So this one looks good. So we're just waiting for the candle to come closer to the SMA, okay? And then later on, I'm also going to explain to you why we have the Keltner channel right here, okay? So for now, we're just waiting for the candle. So far, so good. Going up, okay? So we got a clear uptrend. So we're just waiting for the candle, or one of these candles, to come closer to our target, which is this line right here. And when that happens, we're going to take a higher position. Essentially, that's the strategy, okay? You could also use a MACD or stochastic, something like that, to give you more information, but so far I'm just using these two indicators to see how it goes. But yeah, I might use the stochastic or MACD to give me additional information about price. Okay, so as you can see right here, candles, they are getting closer to the 7 SMA. Okay, so we're going to take a position right there. And also, this is a 30-second candle. Okay, 30-second candle, but we are taking 1 minute trade. Okay, so essentially, we'll have to wait for 2 candles. Okay, so if this trade fails, we are going in with 25% of our balance, okay, which is 10 bucks. Okay, we invested 10 bucks, right? So if you fail the first trade, we got the second trade. Okay, and if you fail the second trade, we'll have one more shot. And then if you fail that, we lost 10 bucks. Essentially, that's the risk. Okay, so we got 21 seconds to go. Price is in 2 minds. Hopefully, we'll cross our initial bets and we will make a profit from this. Okay, so we got 10 seconds to go. Nearly there, 5 seconds. Boom, we scored. Okay, so as we scored, we go back to 10%. We don't have to go for the second strike because we passed the first one. Okay, so this one continues to go up. So let's see if the price comes back to the yellow line again, so we can take another higher position. Seems like it's going to go down a little bit more. So if it does, we're going to take some action and we're going to go higher. So now it's just a waiting game. Essentially, that's that. And also, you have to keep in mind that the price can only go up or can only go down so much. Okay, eventually there will be a turning point where the price will reverse and go down, or vice versa, will go up. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind as well. That's why I am using the Keltner channel. Okay, as you can see right here, the candles, they are closing outside the Keltner channel. Okay, that means that we have a continuation to the upside. Okay, when candles start to close inside the Keltner channel, that's when the trend starts to go up. As you can see right here, it was closing outside, but eventually closed inside. So that was a trend reversal. Okay, so let's see what's happening. So none of these candles are getting closer to our target. Okay, even though we could have taken a trade over here, 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 or here, we never know. We cannot predict the future. That's why I'm not taking any trades, even though the price keeps on going up. Okay, so if that's the case, don't rush into it because it might go the other way around. So you might as well just scroll around and look for another opportunity. Okay, this one is a bit choppy, so we don't want to trade in this kind of market. So this one is on a downtrend. So let's have a look at this one. But at the same time, we can see that the charts of the candles, they are inside the Keltner channel. Okay, so when that happens, we can see that the price either goes up or down, so it's a lot harder to trade. Okay, but then again, guys, I only start using this trade today. Okay, so I haven't fully back tested it. That's why I'm just using my demo account to test it out and see how it goes. Okay, but the more you trade, the more you will learn about the strategy you are using. You will start to realize some patterns, become aware of some patterns. As you can see right here, was going up, and then when the candle came inside the Keltner channel, we just shut it down. The trend reversed. Okay, so this one is on a downtrend, like this one right here. Even though it was on downtrend, oh, this one was a good one. Seems like we're gonna have a continuation to the downside, but you already dumped enough. So let's look for another one. I really want to test this strategy on actual market. Okay, so this one is in a clear uptrend, but it goes up and down, so it's a lot more riskier to take trades with this kind of strategy. Okay, so this one seems like it's gonna go down, so we're gonna take a position on this chart right here. So we're getting closer right there. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So if this one fails again, we're gonna go to 25 bucks, 25%, only because we only invested $10. Okay, so once we reach $100, then the strategy will change. Okay, so if you have $100 or more, then you will go for 1% and then 2.5%, 6%, 15%, 50%. Okay, that's how it goes. So we have 30 seconds to go. Let's see how this will end up. Okay, 20 seconds to go. That seems like it's going to reverse. Oh, I made a mistake. Um, it's on the uptrend. It's on the uptrend. I supposed to take a higher position. I made a mistake. Now I'm realizing that. But anyway, uh, anyway, yeah, because you can see right here, it's on the uptrend. So it's doing higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so what we'll do, we're going to take a position right there. So we are in, okay, even though this chart is not the best, okay, we still on the uptrend. So it's doing a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high right there. And it's also doing higher lows, okay. So hopefully this is going to be a continuation to the upside and we are going to profit from this trade. Also, when price is on the Keltner channel, okay, so it came outside and then eventually closed inside. And as you can see right here, from there, the candles start to close above higher, 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 and higher. Okay, so usually that's an indication that, the price is going to go up. Okay, so we got 5 seconds to go. So let's see how it goes. 2 seconds, and we failed this one. So now we are going 100%. Okay, so this one we cannot definitely lose. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. This one is going sideways. Seems like the dump is over, and it feels like it's going to reverse. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the 2 candles. Let's see what's up. So we're gonna go all in right now. Okay, so if we are going all in, we gotta make sure that this will go our way because we don't have more strikes no more. Okay, so if we win this one, we're gonna make profit of 641. So that will put us in 13 bucks and something. Okay, we will get into the green zone. Okay, so as you can see right here, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and then if it follows the pattern, it will go up again. And if that's the case, we will take advantage of it. Okay, so we're just waiting for the reversal. Okay, I'm gonna save this one right there. In the meantime, I'm gonna look for another one. Okay, this one, the down uptrend is not very strong, but might do. Let me check. Stop. Definitely not the best chart for it. No. Sometimes we have some good straight uptrends. Okay, this is on the uptrend. It's a bit of zigzag, but it's on the uptrend. We're gonna take a position there. So if all goes well, and if the continuation to the upside goes, we are gonna score on this one, okay? We clearly can see that we are in the uptrend, even though the price is not straight, okay? we are clearly on an uptrend, and hopefully this one is going to be a profitable one, and the continuation is going to go to the upside. Okay, so this one we went all in. So if you win this one, we're going to make 678 profit. So that will put us at 14.15. Okay, and then if we score on this one, we're going to go back to 10%, and yeah, we're gonna repeat the cycle. Okay, again, once you reach $100, okay, then you don't go 10%. You can if you want to, but then you can decrease the risk. Okay, so you go 1%, 2.5%, so you have more chances to win. So we score that trade right there. Okay, so we now have 14 bucks point 15. Okay, then we're gonna go back to 10%. And let's have a look at this one. This one is going to reverse, but it's taking its time. So let's look at another opportunity. So let's see if we can go back to make it 50 bucks again. Okay. Seems like this one is about to reverse. Let's save this one. Tesla, I think we won on this one. Tesla keeps on pumping. Okay, this one looks good. We're gonna take, oh, I missed it. We're gonna take a lower position right there. Okay, so if we have a continuation to the downside, um, we are going to score on this one, but at the same time, we can see that this green candle engulfed the previous one, and we have a green candle, another green candle. So we potentially might see a consolidation right here and the price reverse up. Okay, if not, we gonna profit on this trade. Okay, so we got 25 seconds to go. Let's have a look. So Tesla's still pumping. This one is still doing its thing. This one is still going down. Seems like it's going to reverse. Okay, we got 9 seconds to go. And we scored. Boom. So we're on 15 bucks right now. How low this thing can go. And at the same time, you have to keep in mind that you don't want to go, keep going down and down and down, because the price doesn't go down forever. Keep that in mind. Okay, so it can only go down so much. So don't be greedy, and once you make once or twice, 2 or 2 trades, just bail. Okay, because you don't want to be in a trade where it's about to reverse, because that's when you're gonna lose your funds. Okay, this one is on the uptrend. It's a bit of zigzag, but feels like, so this candle right here closed inside the Keltner channel. Okay, so this might show us that the price will go flat for a bit. As you can see right here on this one, the price went a bit flat, right? So, and then the price decided to go up or down. Okay, so price is not going to do much, or is about to reverse. Okay, as you can see right here, again, it's very important to pay attention to everything you are seeing. That this red candle didn't go over the previous candle, and then the next one was red and also closed inside the Keltner channel, and the next one also a big bearish candle, and showing that the price might go sideways a little bit. Okay, before have the continuation to the upside, which is normal. Okay, which is normal because we can see the pattern from this price chart right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, seems like price is bouncing back up again. Okay, so we're going to take a higher position right there. Okay, because we had a pullback, slight pullback, and from here, I believe the price will have a continuation to the upside. If not, maybe it's time to switch charts because this one, it might consolidate a little bit or reverse. Okay, so we got 40 seconds to go. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, like I said, the price seems like it's going to go sideways. So let's see, we got 25 seconds to go. Let's get our 25% ready. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. I don't think this one is going to be a win. It seems like price is about to reverse. And boom, we are out. We lost that one. So this one seems like it's going to continue to go down. We're going to save this one right there. This one is on a clear downtrend, but the price is not completely how we want it. Okay. Okay, this one had a pump and reverse, and now the volume is a bit weak over here, but everything is indicating that the price isn't going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, or it might be just a small pullback like we had over here and pump back up. Okay, so we're going to save this one. Let's see what happens. For now, this one, we don't want to touch it. Okay. No, I'm not going to touch this one either. Not many decent charts around. Yeah, that's the perks of trading with OTC. Okay, this is on a downtrend. So this candle right here closed inside, right? So even though we're on a downtrend, it would be a risky trade. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, I'm going to take this one. So I'm just waiting for the price to pull back a little bit more so we can take a lower position. So remember, the price has to be as close to the yellow line as possible. Okay, so we are in. So we are in with 25%. So let's wait and see what happens. In the meantime, let's look around and let's see. See, this one right here seems like it's going to reverse. Like I said, it had a small pullback right here, and then from here, I believe, and it seems like it's going to do the same thing. It's going to go back up. Okay, let's have a look. So this one is on a continuation to the downside. This one, Tesla, is reversing. This one doesn't look good. This one doesn't look good. So let's go back to this one. Okay, we got 15 seconds. Seems like this one is going to reverse as well. Okay, and seems like it's going to be a loss trade. So 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we lost it. Okay, let's go to this one right here. So this one, I believe that is going to do the reverse. Okay, reversal, go back up. It's consolidating a little bit, and then once it cranks up, it does crank up. Okay, so sometimes you just gotta be patient. Okay, so we lost 2 trades in a row. Okay, now we lost the 10%, 25%, and now we're gonna go 100%. So we cannot miss this shot. Okay, that's just how it goes. Okay, so in the meantime, this one is taking its time. So let's have a look at stocks again. So let's see if we can find something decent now. You might be thinking, this guy's crazy, going 100%. Yeah, it's 100%, but it's just only 10 bucks, okay? It's only 10 bucks. Okay, this one seems like Tesla seems like it's reversing, so is there already? Yeah, so we had a pump and now it's dumping. So we're just gonna wait for the good opportunity. So let's see if the price gets closer to the candle, to the yellow line right there. That's the closest we can get. Okay, so if all goes well, okay, and if the price continues to go down, we are going to score on this trade. But, if the price is just having a small reversal and it will go back up, we are going to lose our 10 bucks, okay? So we got 35 seconds. So let's see how this thing is going to play out. 30 seconds to go, and we got another green candle. Seems like the price is going to reverse. We gotta wait and see. 19 seconds to go. Yes, seems like this one is gonna be a bust. We're not gonna make on this one. And it seems like I need to work on this strategy because it's not refined. Okay. Good. 2 seconds. We scored! Woo! Jeez! Last minute, last second, I mean, that was crazy. Jeez! Ah! Woo! That was crazy. Damn! That was crazy. Okay, that put us in 19 bucks. Okay, that was crazy. So, what I was thinking is to add a moving average. So, this moving average is the 100 EMA. Okay, so over here we can see that the price is on a clear up trend. Okay, so going against the trend is not recommendable. That's why the price was struggling. Okay, so adding this 100 EMA, will be more beneficial, I believe. Okay, so let's proceed. So we got 10%, we got our funds back. Over here, we can see the crossover. Okay, seems like we're gonna have a crossover, and if that happens, we might see a continuation to the downside, and this might be a good opportunity to um, go lower. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit and let's wait for the candle to come closer to the yellow line. So we got 19 bucks, so we just need 30 bucks now. So let's see what happens. We're gonna see, we are seeing the crossover right here. Okay, so now the downside, the downtrend is confirmed. Okay, so we got a crossover right there. So we're just waiting for the price to come closer to the yellow line so we can take this trade. If that happens, okay, it might not happen, but we clearly can see that the price is dumping. Okay, so now we just have to find the right entry. Okay, so if you have more funds, you can double up. Okay, so for example, you take an entry, let's say right here, and then the price goes up, you can take another position. Okay, so the price is not going up. Okay, so I decided to take the trade anyway, even though I went against my rules. We can see that these big red candles are big. Okay, so that shows a bearish momentum. Okay, and also we got the cross right here, making the switch from the uptrend to the downtrend. Okay, so we got 35 seconds to go. So let's hope that we're gonna score this one. If not, we're gonna go 25%. Not a problem. Yes, 22 seconds. So 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. And this video is uncut, guys. So what you see is what you get. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And we scored that one. Okay, so we got 21 bucks right there. Okay. So because the price still on the downside, downtrend, okay, so we're just waiting to see. So if this candle comes a bit closer to the Yellow line is going to be another opportunity to take this trade because feels like the price is going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, let's see what this candle will do. A bit more, a bit more, a bit more. Okay, right there should be okay. Okay, in the meantime, we get our 25% ready just in case the trade doesn't go as planned. Okay, so as you can see right here, candle came all the way to the yellow line and bounced back down. Okay, so that would be a good entry right there. Okay, but let's see. So we got 35 seconds to go. Hopefully we're going to have a continuation to the downside. And we can also see that the candles, they are closing outside the Keltner channel. Okay, that also shows us that the price might continue to go down. Okay, so we got 15 seconds to go. So let's see what's up. 10 seconds. Okay, this candle closed inside the channel. Okay, so we lost that one. So let's see what this candle will do. We got a big bullish candle right there. Okay, okay, as you can see right here, this one right here closed inside, this one closed inside and showing a bullish momentum. Okay, so maybe this is just a pullback and the price is about to reverse. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna flick around. I'm gonna see what's up. Okay, so this one was on a downtrend. Seems like it's trying to break the downtrend to the upside. Okay, Tesla seems like it's gonna go up. Okay, so we're gonna take a position over here with Tesla. Okay, if all goes well, we're gonna have a continuation to the upside because we are on the uptrend. Okay, so hopefully price will continue to go up. And from there, we're gonna make our profits in this trade. Okay, if not, we're gonna get our 100% ready just in case. Okay, so we got 35 seconds to go. So let's have a look at this one. Okay, so this one seems like it's doing a reverse. Okay, and yeah, so let's have a look at Tesla. We got 20 seconds to go. 19 seconds. Last 10 seconds. It's going to be a close call, feels like it. One, boom, we scored. Okay, we're going to continue trading demo. So we're going to go back to 10%. And we already made 14 bucks, okay, in this trading session. So we made 140%, okay, 140% in 33 minutes. Okay, so essentially that's the strategy, guys. Like I said to you, I'm still testing this strategy out. That's why I'm using the demo account. And the first time I tried it was good. I made it to 43 bucks, something like that. Okay, and yeah, so now I'm just adding a few other indicators just to help me out with this strategy. Okay, so let me see if I can get to 30 bucks and I will wrap this video up because this video is already 34 minutes long, but at least you get the idea how the strategy works. Okay, so it feels like this one is going to have a crossover and it's going to go to the upside. So just waiting for the candle to come closer to the yellow line. The closer the better, okay? And then from there, we are going to take our higher position, okay? We're going to take it there because I feel like price is going to go back up now. But yeah, so 10% there. If not, we're going to go 25%. So let's have a look at Tesla. Tesla's still going up. So let's see if we can catch a Tesla right here. At the same time, this one, if it closes inside the Keltner channel, it might be a reversal or a slight pullback. Okay, so we might see a candle coming closer to the yellow line. So this one right here, we got 15 seconds to go, right? So price is still over there, still hovering around here. So let's see what happens. Last 5 seconds, final stretch. Come on, push it up, push it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, did we score? No, that was very close. That was very close. Right, so this one seems like we're gonna have a continuation to the upside, because we entered late. Was it this one? I think. If we entered over here when the price was over here, we would be good. Okay, there you go, right there. Okay, this is a really, really good entry. Right, so now we're just gonna let it roll. So 100% right there. So let's have a look at Tesla. What's up? Tesla still going up. This one is going flat a little bit. This one seems like it's going to pump. Let's have a look at the one we trade. So we got 25 seconds to go. And oh, I failed to notice this. Okay, so he didn't break the previous high right there. Okay, so seems like it's gonna go down because we have a confluence right here. Okay, so we failed to acknowledge that. So let's see what's up. Okay, so this one is the same thing. Okay, so you failed to break this local high. Okay, so if that's the case, um, price might reverse again. So you got to pay attention to everything. Okay, so high, 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 high. This one didn't go as high, but then again, we had a pullback and price broke the previous high. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen with this one. Tesla. Again, this one was on the downtrend. Now it's on the uptrend. So this one might be a good one. So let's have a look. So this one is struggling. Tesla right there. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, so if it breaks above this price right here, then we are going to take our position. Okay, big green candle. That's what we like to see. Okay, so as you can see, price is reacting. So let's see if we can get closer to the yellow line so we can take this trade, and hopefully this will be the last trade and it's going to be a profitable trade, and we're going to take our trade right there. Okay, so this is going to be the last trade. Hopefully this is going to be a profitable one, and from here we are going to make 30 bucks. Okay, so 31.12, right? So hopefully price will have a continuation to the upside. We got 44 seconds to go. Let's have a look at the other ones. This one seems like he's struggling over here. This one is struggling also. I'm also struggling to say struggling. Damn. Okay. So we got 20 seconds to go. You can see a continuation to the upside. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Seems like this is going to be a good win. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, 30 bucks. As you can see right here, the strategy is working, okay? Again, once you reach $100, then you can go 1%. Right now, you cannot go 1% because the minimum is $1, okay? But yes, I still have to work on some things about the strategy, okay? But this is the strategy that I'm currently working on. And also, you gotta pay attention to the charts, okay? Like this situation right here, okay? So over here, it failed to break this local high, okay? So we had a pullback and feels like now is going to break this local high. At least you match it. Okay, so from here, hopefully price will consolidate a little bit and go back up. Okay, so few things that we got to keep in mind when trading. And also you have to pay attention to the chart, what kind of chart it is. Okay, if it's a choppy chart or if it's a straight line chart, there is no straight line, but you know, you get what I mean, right? So if it's a chart like this, constantly goes up and down, is not a suitable chart for this strategy, okay, because it's less predictable. So if it's a chart like this, where you can see going up and down, you can have an idea when or roughly when the price will go do the reverse and go back down, okay? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Actually, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go 25% and I'm gonna go 100%. So see if I can um, reach the 50 bucks. Okay. So let's wait for another candle. So let's have a look. So this one right here is struggling a little bit. So probably not. So seems like this one is going to reverse. Tesla still doing its thing. Yeah. Broke this local high. Cool. So we're gonna go back up. So we're gonna go 10%. Oh, let's go 100%. Let's go 100%. We are bullish. Now we're just waiting for the opportunity to arrive. Okay. Keep going down a little bit more. Come on. So yeah, the closer to the yellow line, the better. Okay. So if you score on this one, our total balance will be 59.75. Okay. This one seems like it's going to have a reversal. This one seems like it's going to reverse. And Tesla's still pumping, but he hasn't reached our target. We need a wick. Okay. A bit more. A bit more. We just need a wick so we can go higher. Yeah, price is not really coming to our zone. So we just got to be patient, really. You know, because there is no point buying high and then losing that trade, right? Especially when you go all in. Okay. So you got to try to make sure that at least the odds will be for you. So we might have a red candle next, and we might have a slight pullback. As you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, red. 1, 2, 3, red. So this one might be a red candle. Damn, Tesla is non-stop. Tesla is non-stop, even though it's pumping, right? So I still would like to catch an entry right here, okay? Because at least I'll be like, yes, I'm happy with this trade. I made the right choice. Or instead of being very close to our target, okay? What's going on here? Seems like it froze. There you go. Is it gonna go down? Is it in 2 minds? It might come down a little bit. What's happening here? Okay, seems like this one is gonna have a continuation to the upside. So it's either gonna be Tesla or this one. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go 50-50. 50 on Tesla, 50 on Pfizer, and at least the odds is gonna be like 50-50. So we're just waiting for a slight pullback. That whip was good. We're gonna go there. On Tesla. Let's see if we can catch one on Tesla too. Tesla is going strong. Tesla is going strong. I missed it. Yeah, Tesla is really going strong. So the other one, we got 25 seconds to go. Is not going our way. Mm-mm. So we got 10 seconds. This one is going to be a loss. Good thing that we didn't go all in. Otherwise, we would be screwed. Okay, we lost that one. So let's have a look at Tesla. Tesla, see, Tesla is just crazy, right? He's just crazy. He's just pumping like hell. And yeah, you get the idea, innit, guys? I hope so. I hope you get the idea. So yeah, we're gonna take a trade on this one. But yeah, you get the idea about this strategy. This probably was a bad choice because this candle opened inside the Keltner channel and feels like we're gonna have a slight pullback before the continuation to the upside. Yes, so that's why it's very important to pay attention to candles, okay? It's very important to pay attention. Yes, seems like this one is gonna be a bust and we lost our funds. But, at least you know what to expect, right? Tesla still going up, still going strong. Price is still there. And this one right here, woo, a big downtrend. Again, we fail to acknowledge this price action right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, price came all the way over here and was rejected. And again, price came all the way here. So let me just put this so you can have a better understanding. So as you can see right here, price came to this area, was rejected, again, rejected, and again, and was rejected. So if we go back, we can see that the price tried a few other times. Okay, so it didn't quite get there, but it was close. So if we did our technical analysis properly, okay, we would be able to see that over here would be the end of the line, and from there price would reverse. Okay, but I failed to do that, so um, I lost that trade. Okay, hence me using the demo account, because demo account is exactly for that, for you to test it out your strategies, and also learn from your mistakes and things that um, you don't get a chance to do when you're doing the real trading. Okay, because over here with demo, you can come over here and you can say top up $10. Okay, so you got $10 right there. Okay, because this is a demo. So from these demos, you can learn from experience. Okay, so you do your tests, do your strategies, and then from there you try to figure it out. Why the hell I lost that trade? So you look back and you can see that, okay, price failed to break over here, hence me losing that trade. So if you look over here at Tesla still going up, even though price haven't come closer to the yellow line, still going up. I could have taken a trade on Tesla, but I did. Okay, and there is nothing stopping Tesla. Okay, and same goes to the other charts, guys. Make sure that you look back and see what's up, okay? At least the past hour or so, so you can see what the price was and what happened there, okay? So over here we can see, so for example, on this one, we can see right here. We can see that this area right here is an area where price will react, okay? It's way back here, okay? We come back, consolidation, went down, touch this area, down again. I need to put this on charge. down again, up, down, up, and down. And feels like now we're still going to see a pullback, slight pullback before the continuation to the upside. Because over here, we are crossing the trend. Okay, so we are an uptrend right now. Okay, so we might see a slight pullback before we see the price going up. Okay, so doing this technical analysis prior to taking a trade is important so you can have the odds towards you instead of against you, okay? But yes, guys, um, this is the new strategy that I'm going to work on. So I'm still in demo mode, and tomorrow is going to be Sunday, so I'm not going to trade with my real funds. And Monday, when the market opens, I will then um, use apply this strategy in these currency pairs right here. Okay, as you can see right here, market is closed, so I cannot trade with these pairs. But yes, that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.